Just got my bird flap for the RopeRunner in the mail, and I thought I'd do a quick video since I didn't see any videos about it. It's one of those add-ons to your mech device that makes it a little bit more convenient. As you can see, it doesn't cover the whole top though, so there's a little bit of a lip there, and it's not bad, you know, a lot better than not having it on there. So I think it should come stock with it when you order a RopeRunner for as much as you pay for it, but you know, hey, that's above my pay grade, I guess. So anyways, we'll put it on and check it out. So this gives you basically idea how it goes on. You slide onto the top cotter pin there, and you just got to position it correctly when you insert the pin after you put on the rope. Pretty self-explanatory. Let's put it on. It definitely feels a lot better than without it. So it depends on how you descend on the RopeRunner, whether you use your thumb or your index finger. Either way works. So definitely feels a lot better. So there's that. Anyways, I wanted to check out a video about it, and I figured since I didn't find one, I'd make one. The 4 SRT bird flap for the RopeRunner. Yeah, be nice if it came with it. All right, stay safe. God bless.